Hello and welcome back. I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're going to be making my classic grilled cheese. One of my absolute favorite comfort foods. It's crispy on the outside, ooey gooey on the inside, perfect for any time of the year. So let's get started. For this, we're going to need some butter, some Dijonnaise that I made, which is just going to be 1 part yellow mustard, 1 part Dijon, and 1 part mayo. That's it. Or you can use aioli if you have that. Some aged Gouda. This is dry aged. It's a 5-year, just a little funky, delicious. 2 slices of American cheese and 2 slices of provolone. We're going to be using some buttermilk white bread. It's got a nice little tang to it from the buttermilk, but it's not too overpowering, so you're just going to taste cheese in all of this. For equipment, I'm going to be using my Breville Sear and Press grill, 1 spatula, and literally just 1 butter knife. That's it. All right, let's go. We're going to start by preheating our Breville Sear and Press to about medium-low heat. All right, we've got 2 pieces of bread. We're going to take a little bit of our Dijonnaise, which is equal parts yellow mustard, Dijon, and mayo, or garlic aioli, whatever you want. This is just good old Best Foods mayonnaise. We're only going to put I want a really thin layer here. Don't want to overpower the cheese. Make sure you get every single corner. It seems silly to be this meticulous about a grilled cheese sandwich, but you want every square inch to be covered. See, missed a little bit right there. Our American cheese. And our grill's ready. We're going to put 1 piece down, and then we're going to put a piece of provolone down. And then a piece of American. And then our other provolone. Now you're saying there's nothing really special about that. Here's where the special part comes in. We have our Gouda. A little funky. We're going to take our room temp butter. It's got to be soft and room temp, otherwise you're going to break your bread. Make sure every bit of it is covered. There we go. Now, secret weapon, the Gouda. Using a microplane, put a nice layer over the whole thing. Like a good amount. Pat it down. There we go. All right, now let's grab our sandwich and put it onto our griddle. Okay, nice and hot. Gonna grab a little bit of our Pam original, or if you just want to use some butter, get a little spray. Your sandwich, right down top. You should hear just a light little tss when it hits. Leave it alone. Now, take some more butter. Make sure you hit this side now. Again, make sure you get butter everywhere. Get another microplane. Nice layer. Now we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side till it's GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. And that's it. Just let it sit on medium-low heat. The reason we did medium-low heat instead of like a medium-high or even a medium is because we put the cheese on there. We don't want that to burn. We want to just get nice and crispy and crunchy on the outside while still adhering to the bread and getting that nice and toasty. It's been 4 minutes. Flip. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Press down. We go 3 to 4 more minutes and then we are done. Our grilled cheese is done. Wait for the sound. And they are my perfect grilled cheese, or my classic grilled cheese. Crunchy, ooey gooey. Going for another bite. Can I get the hunch? The provolone helps it stay nice and chewy while also being like creamy and melty. And the American cheese just basically melts into this like gooey mess. Perfect. If you like this video, please comment down below and tell me what cheeses do you like on your grilled cheese sandwich. And I'll see you next time on, well, 30 Days of Melts.